Hi everyone, it's Lisa from the Richwood Library. I've been missing my monthly cookbook club, so today I thought I'd bring the cookbook club to you. I've downloaded a cookbook from Overdrive on the Richwood Library website, and the cookbook I chose was Mark Bittman's Dinner for Everyone. And from the cookbook, the recipe I've chosen is macaroni and cheese in a pot. And I've chosen this because it's easy, it has a little bit of ingredients, and it's comfort food, which I think we all need right now. So the ingredients we need for our macaroni and cheese in a pot are 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1 cup of fresh breadcrumbs, 4 cups of whole milk, should be whole milk, divided 3 cups which will go in and 1 cup for the extra, a 1/4 cup of cream cheese, a little bit of salt, a pound of elbow noodles, and 3 cups or 12 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get a large pot, and we're going to set the heat under the pot from anywhere from medium to medium high, and we're going to add our butter. We're going to melt our butter, make sure our butter's nice and melted. Okay, once our butter is melted, we're going to add our breadcrumbs, and we're going to stir them up. And we're going to keep them in the pot, stirring until they are golden and crisp, probably about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, our breadcrumbs are nice and golden brown, so we're going to get them off the heat. We're going to take them out of the pot, put them aside. And then we're just going to wipe out our pot with a paper towel. Okay, so we have our pot cleaned out. We're going to put the heat back on to medium high, and we're going to add our 3 cups of whole milk. Our pasta. And a pinch of salt. And we're going to let this come to a boil. Okay, the one thing I wanted to add is when you put the pasta in, you want to make sure that you're stirring constantly. And now you can see that our milk is starting to boil, so we want to adjust the heat and make it lower so that we're not scorching the milk. So we want to continue to stir, and we want to continue to cook on a lower heat. This could take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. What we want to do is, after about 5 minutes, you want to start tasting the pasta. You want there to be a little bit of a crunch, but you want it to be mostly done. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. The mixture should be, the recipe says the mixture should be neither soupy nor dry. So that's why we have the extra milk. And we can just add a little bit by bit, and make sure that it's not too dry, because we don't want it to be too pasty yet. So now what we have to do is taste the noodle. And that was 5 minutes. That's actually perfect. Okay, so the noodles are ready. They're not too, there's just a tiny little bit of crunch, and but they're mostly done. So now what we have to do is we have to add the cheese. Oh, I love it. Yum. And the cream cheese. And if necessary, we can still add the rest of our milk here, which it looks like it is going to need a little bit of that. And just keep stirring until everything is melted. Okay, all the cheese and the cream cheese are all incorporated into the macaroni and cheese. And we're just going to take our breadcrumbs and sprinkle them on top. Our buttery breadcrumbs. And there we have our macaroni and cheese in a pot from Mark Bittman's Dinner for Everyone. Now the only thing left to do is try it. So we're going to have our cameraman, Teddy, give it a try. How is it, Teddy?
It's delicious.
Thanks for watching.